I want to show you guys how to make my homemade apple cider, so here it is. You're going to need a big pot because we're going to add a bunch of liquid to this, so I'm using my Dutch oven, but any big pot that you have works. Then we're going to start with our apples. The type of apple that you use really doesn't matter because we're just going for that apple flavor here. I start by cutting them in half and then in thirds from there, so about 12 pieces, roughly about an inch in size. Then I like to add some citrus, so I would add 1 orange, but I didn't have an orange, so I just added 3 cuties, then our cinnamon sticks, our nutmeg, and our cloves. Of course, all the measurements will be listed at the end of this, but we're gonna bring this over to the stove, put the lid on it, let it boil for a couple minutes, then reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for 1 hour. That's what it looks like after an hour. Then you're gonna bring in your potato masher, smash everything up. Trust me, I know it looks really gross, but it is incredibly delicious. That's what it should look like after you smash it. Then you're gonna keep it on low, put the lid back on, and let it cook for another hour. After that's all done, now it's time to strain it. You can either do a regular strainer or you can use a cheesecloth. It's up to whatever you happen to have. And we're gonna strain it and make sure we press out all of the juice. Also, if you are not following, now is your time to hit that follow button because I will be making homemade apple cider donuts using this apple cider. So make sure you click that follow button. Now this next step is optional, but I'm gonna sweeten it. I'm using half a cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar, but the brown sugar just works well because you get that molasses, but you could use honey or just not sweeten at all. You can also add a splash of bourbon or whiskey and it'll be equally incredible. Here's the recipe and let me know if you guys try it. Okay, bye.